Next is auscultation. Have you heard about this? Have you experienced about auscultation? Of course, yes. Once in a time, you might have visit any doctor. I don't think so. The person has not yet visit any doctor till today. So auscultation they always do with the stethoscope. So you know stethoscope parts, right? So that also I'm not going to give you in a very in a brief way. I just give you how the stethoscope we can this part is known as earpiece, which are going to keep on the ear. This is binaurals. Then this is tubings. Then this complete diagram is known as a chest piece, which are going to keep. So this is bell. This small part is bell, because for hearing any less sound or sharp sound we are not using. I mean, for the less sounds we can use bell. For pediatric case, for the child also we can use this small part, right? And this biggest area, this big part generally we are using, and that part is known as diaphragm. Okay, so this is just for your understanding stethoscope parts. So we are going to listen the sound of the person's body, like especially heart sounds or any breathing sounds we can hear very clearly. One sound we can hear only through percussion, that is normal vibrations. Other than how the heart is working, whether the circulation is proper or not, whether the valves are opening or closed adequately. So for that purpose we are going for auscultation. Even for breath sounds also we can see. So stethoscope I told you, heart and blood vessels I told you about the circulation, lungs also I told you about breath sounds. Even for the gastrointestinal content, bowel sounds, like after eating food also you can see the movement of your abdomen, right? Any peristalsis movement, that is known as peristalsis, normal movement of your abdomen, right?
To watch full video, download app.